Good morning to one and all. Welcome to Sleepy Dreams classes. Today we are going to deal what about the Big Bang theory. Firstly, let us discuss about universe. Before going to discuss what about the Big Bang theory, let us discuss what is universe. All you people know that universe is nothing but celestial bodies. Then what is celestial bodies? Celestial bodies are nothing but heavenly bodies, which are stars, planets, satellites, asteroids. These bodies collectively known as celestial bodies. And the science of studying about these celestial bodies is known as astronomy. And the person who is studying about astronomy is nothing but astronomers. They are called as astronomers. And the study of these celestial bodies is known as astronomy. Okay, but no one said that when and where the universe is created. So there were lots of stories and lots of myths on the creation of universe. So different scholars have presented their views on universe. Not only in nowadays, since ancient times, universe has been one fascinating thing. So different scholars gave their views, different views. So according to the period of time, these theories were classified into early theories and modern theories. So the Big Bang theory is belongs to modern theories, even though let us discuss early theories. So early theory, the first theory is geocentric theory. The geocentric theory was proposed by Ptolemy. He stated that the earth is center of the universe. You know that it is wrong, but in ancient times, the people used to believe that the earth is the center of the universe. Later on, heliocentric theory, which is proposed by Copernicus, he stated that the sun is the center of the universe. Who said that? Copernicus said that the sun is the center of the universe. This is what heliocentric theory. And later on, British astronomer said that the solar system is merely a part of galaxy. Solar system is part of galaxy. And later on, American astronomer said that the whole universe has a diameter of 2.5 billion light years and it is composed of several galaxies. This is what early theories. And now let us discuss Big Bang theory. This Big Bang theory was proposed by George Lemaitre and later on strongly evidenced by the George Gamow. So these persons explained about the Big Bang theory. George Lemaitre proposed the Big Bang theory, but strongly evidenced by the George Gamow. Actually, this theory states that once upon a time, or the beginning of the universe, the complete universe existed in the form of a tiny ball, like one unit. Later on, what happened is because of small volume, pressure, and because of temperature and because of density, 15 billion years ago, explosion occurred. So the atom started disintegrated. So what happened? The expansion of the universe started, and this expansion of the universe still continues till today. Not only till today, till further in future also it continues. So this expansion of matters forming new galaxies. So the galaxies also expanding, and mainly this Big Bang theory was proven by cosmic microwave background radiation, CMBR, cosmic microwave background radiation. By this theory, the Big Bang theory or the expanding universe is proven. Later, redshift theory also proved that the expansion of universe, and mainly LHC, Large Hadron Collider, which is built by the European organization, Switzerland, which aims to recreate conditions just after Big Bang. Just for brief understanding about this phenomenon. So the Big Bang theory explains the expansion of the universe. This is what Big Bang theory.